Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Snorter Presale project. Finally, Snorter listed inside exchanges. The chart is live. We will check the price, we will check the chart, then we will check some other updates. Okay, which one will be next? BTC Hyper, Pepenode, Maxi Doge. Which of this presale is gonna list inside exchanges? Okay, so make sure claim your is not a token. Make sure to sell it because whatever we will check inside this video, I will cover the whole thing. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Crystal Project, Pi Network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So finally, after a few months, Snorter just listed inside exchanges. Of course, decentralized exchange, and then we will see centralized exchange. Snorter claim a token now live. Those who purchase this project, make sure to claim your token. You can use the same wallet that you purchased this project. With the same wallet, you can claim this token. So claim on Solana. Here you can see. Even connect your wallet, and this is the token address. I can see the contract address. You can edit your wallet in order to see your token. So further, the token is live. Here you can see the price is 0.065. Although at the listing, the price just start falling down. Here you can see from 0.1, the price just fall down to 0.06. Of course, any project, not only this one, any project after listing, we will see a sudden pump to the upside, and then we will see a huge crash to the downside. This is not only Snorter, this is not only other project. This is with every project. Every project, if you check the history, if you check any of the project at the launching, the price will go upside and then start falling down quickly because everyone will start booking their profit. Exchanges will do manipulation. Walls start doing manipulation. Market makers. So the retailers will lose their money in this stage. So Snorter is finally live. You can check the website. Here you can see this is the everything like Dex screener. This is the Telegram, the Twitter, and then furthermore, if you scroll down, you can find everything about Snorter. Make sure to check it. So what do you think? Which one will be next? BTC Hyper? BTC Hyper, 25 million. Rest in the Presale project. Still everyone is purchasing because this is the first, or I can say the fastest Bitcoin layer to blockchain. So in the future, what I think, we will see the blockchain of this project, we will see the decentralized exchange because the decentralized wallet is coming, Expert, Bridge, Stacking, and meme coins is coming inside the ecosystem. Although the price is 0.013. The link is below description if you want to purchase this project. If you missed a Snorter, make sure to do not miss the BTC Hyper. I know the project will give you huge profit for the long term, not for the short term. There are some project, of course. Within few days, within few weeks, it will give you 100x profit, 50x profit. But among these thousands of tokens, thousands of coins, there will be only a few of them that will give you a quick profit. Otherwise, you have to wait in order to get a large amount of the profit. So Pepenode, of course, this is a new presale project. Of course, it takes some time to list inside exchanges, but I think so. BTC Hyper will be the next to see inside exchanges. Okay, Pepenode presale project, mine to earn the meme coin, 653% stacking reward. For now, 1.9 million rest in the presale project. Soon we will touch 2 million. The price is 0.2 times zeros, 11227. Of course, make sure to check this project. Also, this is a new in the market. Even Maxi Doge is also new. Maxi Doge, Pepenode, a new presale project in here in the market. BTC Hyper, this is the old one. So the price is 0.3 times zeros, 265. 3.7 million rest in the presale project. Okay, check these presale projects. Do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. Money is yours, investment is yours, profit is yours, passion is yours, everything is yours. So that's why before purchasing, search about the project, do your own research. So what do you think? Snorter finally listed inside exchanges. Now Snorter is out of the pre-sale stages. Now the token is live for everyone. Everyone can purchase it. So what will be the next? Bitcoin, Bitcoin Hyper, Pepenode, Maxi Doge. So let me know in the comment section. This is all about the pre-sale project. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button to know what I'm high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.